How to create a Walmart account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can create a Walmart account. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're on your mobile device, you can install Walmart application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you install the application, open up the application, you will see this kind of interface. Here you can tap on sign in button. That's gonna take you to this page where it says sign in or create your account. So if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is provide your email or phone number. So tap on this text field that says email or phone number. So enter your email or phone number that you want to use. Tap on continue. Now you'll be prompted to this interface where you have to fill in your first name, last name, phone number, then create a password. So provide your first name and head over to your last name. Enter your phone number. Under that, create a password. Then tap on continue. Now you have to complete this verification where you will receive a 6-digit verification code sent in your mobile number. Check for the code, type in the code, and then all you have to do is tap on verify and create account. Once the number is verified, you will have an account on Walmart. So that's it. That's how you can create a Walmart account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.